Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today in this tutorial, let's write a Python program to check whether the given string is a palindrome string or not. A string is a palindrome if it reads exactly the same forward and backwards. In other words, when you reverse the string, it remains unchanged. Here, I'll consider case of the characters, punctuators, everything. If everything is same in the reverse string and given string, then only that is a palindrome string. For example, here you can see madam. When I reverse this string, I'll get the same string. That's why it is a palindrome string. Here we have another example. Here we have a special character here. So when I reverse this string, I'll get this. So both are not same. So I'll take it as false. Here I'll consider the case of the characters also. So this is also not a palindrome string here according to our program. Let's write the program. In the Python file, first let's ask the user to enter a string. Here we are using input function to take input. Here we want a string input, so we'll use input function, and entered input will be stored in this variable called string. Next, to check whether given string is palindrome or not, we need to reverse that. For that I'll use slicing operation. So here we'll reverse the string using slicing operation and we'll store that result in this reversed string variable. Here in the slicing operation, mention the string name, then square brackets, here colon -1. The syntax is start, end and step. Here we are taking default value for start, end, step is -1. When step is -1, default value for start is length of string -1. For end, default value is 0. So that's why we'll get the string in the reversed order. Alright, next we need to compare the string and reverse string. So for that I'll use if condition. I'll use comparison operator like this. If it is true, then given string is a palindrome string. So print that, else it is not. We are done. Let's save this and execute this. String madam. Here case also matters. That's why we are getting is not a palindrome string. Okay. Is not a palindrome string because we have a special character. So if you want to ignore the case, then you can convert your input to lowercase using string method lower like this. Then here you need to use string 1 like this. Now is a palindrome string. We are ignoring the case of the characters here. Okay. If you want to ignore all the special characters, if you want to consider only alphanumeric characters, then I'll make a separate video for that. So that's it for now guys. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I will meet you in next class. Till then, take care.